Mom, we have one more birthday surprise for you.
Oh, really?
We tracked down your best friend.
Petey? How is this happening? 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 Oh, before he... Oh.
Sorry.
I thought he loved you.
This is how he shows love, by grooming me and regurgitating on me. I can have our friends over. He was so possessive.
So why did you even get him?
I didn't. I wanted a kitten. Our neighbor was giving away their parrot. Since Petey can meow, my dad decided he was close enough. Meow. You're nothing like a kitten.
Don't worry, we'll take him back to Townsburg. He's part of a wild flock there.
You went all the way to Townsburg.
We wanted to get you something, personal for your birthday.
Yeah, we did not make friends on the bus ride home. Petey is kind of racist.
Well, that's just...
We're sorry. We didn't mean to re-traumatize you with your childhood nightmare bird.
My wonderful babies. You went to all that trouble for me. I wasn't an afterthought. I was a thought.
Well, yeah, 'cause, we see you as a person.
We really do. Our favorite person.
Oh, that is so... Who wants to help Mommy abandon Petey in Townsburg?